and welcome to my channel, where today I'm going to teach you the second part for the Lemanoids invasion, enemy collision. So, in the last video, I taught you for the movement to move and shoot. Now, I'm going to teach you for the enemy collision. So, this was before. Now, let's get our enemy and our audio. So, for my backpack, I have my enemy and my audio. So I got me some gift packs. I'll link them down below in the description. So with the costumes, we can go to the sounds. And there's some sounds and all of this stuff. So the first thing I want you to do, the first sound, number 1, put it in the stage. And you'll get it. So now all you have to do is when flag clicked, forever. And all you gotta do is just play the sound. So it'll be sound something like this. So that's the sound. Now let's go back to the all audio again. Go to sounds, and there will be laser shoot. This. We're gonna put this in laser. And let's go, and this would be our laser. And what you have to do, we're gonna put it here at the top when I start as clone. So it would be something like that. You understand? Yes. Okay. So now let's actually start to coding. So when we go to enemy, let's go to costumes, and there's a lemon. We have to make another costume, and let's name it Big. All uppercases. And it's really not that hard to draw. All you have to do is get your square, and let's see the color. So because we want it to be the same color. So 17, 16, and 93. And it already has it. So all you have to do, take your square and just like do that. That's all you have to do. Like that. So now let's actually start to the coding. So at the start, when flag clicked, we're going to switch the costume to the lemon. And after we do that, go to the back layer. So let's go here and change this to the back layer. Then let's set the size to 300. So I'm going to add this 300 and let's see. Oh, so let me just put the 00 and you would see it. That's the lemon. Okay. So we're just going to go to, and then after that we're going to take hide. It's going to hide. Then forever. And let's take a new blocks and name it new enemy. And one more screen refresh. So let's define new enemy. Let's see. So let's go to the looks and switch costume to Big. Then we're going to change it to 00. That's the middle. Now let's make a new variable and let's call it dir, short for direction, and only for this sprite. Now we're going to set direction dir to pick random -180 to +180. After that, we're just going to go to the motions, point in direction of dir. Now, after we do that, let's move negative 350 steps. And we're going to make another variable and let's name it speed. Just speed. And also for this sprite only. And we're going to set speed. We'll set speed to 8. And we're going to create a clone of myself. So it'll be something like this. And let's just add it. New enemy. We haven't made the clone yet. That's why it's not showing. So let's make it. So we're gonna go to controls, and when I start as a clone, what are we gonna do? We're gonna show ourselves. So we're gonna show, and we're gonna put it forever. Now let's do it as if the laser hits the enemy, then it will do something. So and then forever, if the laser, if touching laser, then what we're going to do, we will make also a new one called enemy hit. One without skin refresh too. So let's add it here. And we need lots of space for enemy hit. So for enemy hit, we're just going to set. So the first thing we have to do is go to the looks, and we're going to set the size to that, and let's get that circly thing, the size. And what are we going to do with that? You're wondering. We're going to take this and the operator, the divider, by 2. And let's put it in here. Perfect. Now we're going to put it if we're going to take this one, and we're going to take if size is bigger than 35, then what will happen? Let's see. So then we're just going to delete the clone. So let's go all the way here to delete this clone. So it'll be something like this. And the reason why we didn't see it is because we didn't change. So over here, we didn't change the costume to lemon. So that's why we can't see it. We have to put in the code. So not now. So define enemy hit, and after that, we're gonna set speed. Let's set the speed to. Let's set speed by speed times 1.5. Perfect. Okay. Now after this, we're going to change direction. Change direction by, and we're also going to pick random. And instead of 1 to 10, we're going to pick it as 0 to 180. And after it does that, now we're going to create a clone of myself. So we're going to create a clone. Create a clone of myself. And then we're going to change dir by 120. Then we're going to create a clone of myself and also do the same thing. Change dir by 120 and that. So that's what enemy hit means. That's what enemy hit means. Now let's start coding back to when I start as clone. So after this, we're gonna actually switch. We're gonna switch costume to big. Switch costume to big. Then we're gonna go change. We're gonna change it. Go over here. Change X and Y. put this together. Okay. So this is the mathematics world. Now I'm gonna do. So what we need: speed. We need the multiplier, and at the sensing we need this. So what we're gonna do? So we're gonna take this. Then now after this we're gonna take this, and what we need is for example, let's put this as dir. So let's find it. So what we wanted to do is multiply speed times sin of direction. So the way we can get that is going to the sensing, and we can check where would it be. So as you can see, this is the one. So let's put it here, and let's get dir. And we need this to be changed sin of direction. And I'm trying to find it. So I'm trying to find it. So let's see where it is. So this is the one. I'm going to change this to sin. Sorry for the time reading. So we're going to take that, put it in here, and let's put it here. And let's duplicate the same thing. And let's take this. And let's get out of that. And we can go here, then change this to cos. So welcome to the mathematics world for coding. So let's put it here. And then after that, we're just going to turn this way 5 degrees. And we're going to create another one that's called wraparound, a new block. Wraparound. And one more screen refresh. What happened? Oh no. We'll go here. Yes. So define wraparound. So you're wondering, what does wrap around do? So if the laser touches the lemon, then it's gonna decrease the size. It's not like gonna decrease it. It's gonna it's gonna change the place where it is. For example, if the lemon seed is gonna change somewhere. So let's do it. So we're gonna take this one actually, and we're gonna put if, and then let's take this one. Let's go to the x position. X position is bigger than 350. Then we're gonna set x to negative 350. And we're going to take this and we're going to duplicate this. So we're going to put it here. Else we're going to take our if. Else if x position is smaller than, if x position is if negative 350 is smaller than x position, then we're going to set x to 350. positive 350. And we're going to duplicate all of this. Put it here. And now let's change view a bit. So all we have to do, first we're going to change these two, the X position by Y position and Y position. And we're going to change this to 280. And we're going to change this and set Y to negative 280. And we're going to put this as negative 280. And then we're going to set Y to positive 280. So it's going to be like that. Now, after we're finished, now we're going to use it and as a wraparound. So let's take our blocks, let's wrap around and switch costume to lemon. So it'd be something like this. Okay. That's too much. As you can see, there's too much. But it's just too much. So we're gonna figure that question out. What's happening? And why is it doing like this? So let's go over here. And since we haven't put in a weight, that's the problem. So what do you mean by weight? We're gonna spawn one lemon first. Then it's gonna wait until like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Then another one's gonna come. So that's how we want it to be. So we're gonna take the wait 5 seconds. So it's gonna new enemy, wait 5 seconds, new enemy, wait 5 seconds. It's too fast. So let's set the speed to 3. That's perfect. And since there's no big lemons coming, let's set this to 3 seconds. More rapid. So let's put it at least 2 seconds. This is Lemanoid's Invasion Part 2. And I'll see you in the next video. And scratch on. Bye.